Hello everyone, now I am going to show you how to interface energy meter through MODBUS RTU in RDL Industrial Datalogger. As per energy meter parameters, I am going to configure the data logger. First, let us see connection diagram. Here, energy meter plus terminal is connected to the data logger A terminal, and energy meter minus terminal is connected to the data logger B terminal. Here you can see the connection diagram. Now, click on RDL, Industrial Datalogger Configuration Manager software, and select the COM port, and click on Open. Use the default password RDL123 during login. Click on MODBUS RTU from the sidebar menu and click on COM port settings, and now open the respective energy meter datasheet, and note down the respective register details and RS485 interface settings. As per our energy meter datasheet, I am going to select baud rate 9600, data bit 8, parity even, and stop bit 1, and click on Save. Next, right-click on Common Polling Interval Slave, add the meter slave ID and name. Click on Meter Name to configure the register here. You can add tag name, register address, register type, and conversion method based on your energy meter datasheet. Click on Save to continue. Next, click on Polling Interval. Here you can set the polling interval time in seconds, minutes, or hours, and click on Save. Now we will push the data to the cloud using JSON through 4G communication media. Click on Wi-Fi/GPRS/4G/LTE in the sidebar menu. Under Communication Type, select 4G/LTE and then click Save. In the initial settings, the APN needs to be configured. Click on APN, then click the Read button. If you are using a single SIM, select Single SIM and enter the APN. If you are using Dual SIM, select Dual SIM and enter the APNs for both SIM cards. Now, 4G is enabled. Next, click on 4G/LTE. Here, select JSON, then click on the JSON section and choose the profile type. Click Read and enter the JSON URL. We have set up both a primary and secondary JSON URL. The purpose of this is that if the primary URL stops pushing data, the system will automatically switch to the secondary URL to continue data transmission. Now, I am entering our JSON URL and clicking Save. Now you can see the data in the Analyze screen, and also you can see the data at the broker end as shown. This is how energy meter works in RDL Datalogger.
Thanks for watching video. For more details, check the description. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Connect with me on LinkedIn, X and Facebook. Links in the description.